get it. When you're busy, it's sometimes easier to click the Remind Me Later button rather than wait while your device is updated. But if an update is available, please do find some time at the end of your day to ensure that it's installed. Software updates help improve the performance of your device, fix known issues, and strengthen security. If you don't update your software, your device is more vulnerable to cyber attacks, which could put you, the business, and your contacts at risk. You could also find your device slows down and programs don't work as they should do. To avoid this from happening, check your device now to see what updates are available and install them. Get yourself a coffee while you wait. This is something we do for our clients so they don't have to. Let's talk.